Flood victims in Kampung Parit Warijo, Batu Pahat are appealing for financial aid from the government, especially those that have lost their source of income due to the monsoon season. The majority of the villagers there are either working as all palm fruit collectors or are self-employed. The village was hit with a light drizzle since January 24th and did not stop until January 31st. About 200 flood victims from 12 villages have been placed at the Dewan Orang Ramai Sri Medan Temporary Relief Centre. Car wash shop owner Ahmad Yusli Muhammad Idrus said this is the first time he has experienced flooding since he moved to the village 5 years ago. He said usually when it rains, the Simpang Kiri River behind his house will only rise up to around ankle deep, but it's never been like this before.
Satu hari biasa dalam 20 biji, 15 biji lah.
So ni bila dah tak ada ni macam mana kata orang apa? Sumber pencarian tu?
Sumber pencarian hilang lah.
Hilang.
Dalam
sehari abang boleh kata orang dapat berapa?
Dalam 5-60 lah gitu.
So kata orang kalau banjir macam ni memang tunggu je lah dia sampai kering ke macam mana?
Tunggu je lah. Nak cedok pun tak boleh.
Ahmad Yusli also said he lost his car to the flood. On Tuesday, Deputy Prime Minister Datuk Sri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi visited the Dewan Orang Ramai Sri Medan PPS and said the State and District Disaster Management Committee will be handling and distributing the necessary aid for the flood victims involved.